Hey guys, I'm Meg and I'm back today with another choose your own recipe adventure, and this one is poppin'. One of my family's favorite snacks of all time is popcorn. We have it for movie nights, afternoon snacks, lunch boxes, sometimes even dinner. But I make my popcorn a little differently. I don't use store-bought microwave popcorn. I don't even cook it on the stove top. I make my own DIY brown bag microwave popcorn, and today I'm gonna show you how to make it too. In the next two videos, I'm gonna show you how to go sweet with a DIY kettle corn and savory with an Italian-inspired popcorn called cacio e pepe. I think I said that right. I'm from Alabama. I don't know. Basic microwave popcorn has got the easiest ingredient list ever. So you're gonna use popcorn kernels, a little olive oil, some fine salt. The only equipment you're gonna need is a brown paper bag, like a lunch bag. So it's super simple. All you're gonna do is open up your brown paper bag. You're gonna put in a 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt or table salt. Then fold your bag down. I fold twice from the top and give it a really good shake. Then all you have to do is pop it in the microwave for 1 minute and 45 seconds on high. And it's ready to go. Give it one more shake and pour it into a bowl and enjoy. It's really that simple. Now, if you want to up your popcorn game and go from basic to out of this world, you can either go sweet with my DIY kettle corn recipe, or you can go savory with a cacio e pepe. Popcorn, you made it yourself, super simple, super fast, no chemicals, no additives, nothing weird in there that you can't pronounce, and it's freaking delicious. You should pop yourself a bag. That's it, I'm done.